Lesson 5 in the 5th grade MyMath book. If we have in-person class during this time, we will do lesson 4 in class, but it involves estimating and weighing objects, and you probably don't have a scale to weigh objects at home. So we'll do that if we're in class, and if we're not, we're going on to lesson 5, which is converting customary units of weight. Weight is defined as a measure of how heavy an object is. That is the gravitational pull of the earth upon an object. Like I said before, you'll be discussing that in science. The units for weight in the US customary system are ounces, pounds, and tons. So on our chart, we will put them right here, and you will notice that I have included some of the short forms because they're not intuitive short forms. You wouldn't, where in ounces do you see the Z? The sound is there, isn't it? Ounces, yeah. So the short form is OZ. For pounds, our short form is LBS, and that is a Latin short form that has come from 100 million years ago. I don't even know. It was long before I was born, so you know it's old. So you will see these two short forms quite a bit. Okay, so the good news is converting within units of weight work the same way as with units of distance. The only thing you got to know is how many ounces are in a pound, 16. How many pounds are in a ton, 2,000. Now, if you don't remember that, in your MyMath book, you can always depend on the purple boxes. Here's the purple boxes. They're called key concepts right here. And one year I had one student cut all of these purple boxes out of the measurement section of his book and staple them together to make a little measurement booklet, which was kind of cool. So as you use these, you'll be doing them so much that you tend to start to remember them. 16 ounces in a pound. And frankly, if you forget, the Google, she knows everything. You can always find out there. Okay, I never told you that. So your notes that I'm giving you for converting are not limited to the type of units. They're good for converting everything. So's the rhyme. Horse to fly, multiply, fly to horse, divide a course. Remember that? Yeah, that's what we're using. So here's a question. If we have 5 pounds of chocolate and we want to know how many ounces that is, the first thing we need to do, and this is a little bit different from distance because I forgot, sorry, is we're going to label which one's the horse and which one's the fly. So pounds are bigger. So pounds is the horse. So I like to put an H up there, which means ounces are the fly. And then I can do my rhyme. Horse to fly, multiply. So I put my multiply. Now I have to know, I have 5 pounds, okay? How many ounces are in a pound? Well, I just told you, it's in the book, or the Google knows. 5 times 16, okay? Then you do your multiplication. 5 times 6 is 30. Carry the 3, 5, 6, 7, 80 ounces. And there you have your conversion. Easy peasy. Yeah. So you're really just doing the same thing. You're just learning about different units. So